Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make a vessel using a slab pottery approach. So before we get started, we need to make sure we have all our supplies, which include our canvas board. This helps trap the clay when we're working on it, so you have to make sure not to disrupt or move this clay around because the particles get in the air. It also dries out the clay a little bit. You'll need to be getting 2 sticks. These are used to maintain the thickness of the clay. You're going to have to make sure that when you're rolling, you keep the clay in between these 2 sticks. These sticks are not used for drumming or poking or fighting, just for maintaining the thickness of our clay. You also need a roller. We're going to use this to roll out our clay. You can see how when I roll it along the sticks, it keeps a distance from the canvas. Once you have all your supplies, you're going to go back and sit at your seats and wait for me to call on you when you'll get your piece of clay. Once you have your piece of clay, you're going to set it down between your 2 sticks, pick up your roller, and you're going to begin rolling out the clay. You want to make sure you're standing above the clay so that you can apply a lot of pressure. You also want to make sure that you turn your clay so that we get a nice big working surface. Okay, so you guys are going to have to roll it out for a while. It'll probably take you 1 whole class period, which is good because we're actually going to let our clay sit. Right now our clay is very soft and malleable. Now we want it to be firm before we start putting it together. So today all you're going to be doing is rolling out your clay. And you're going to keep on rolling. At this point, you're actually going to stop and pick up your clay piece and put it in a plastic bag. Okay, so you should have a plastic bag. I almost always forget to hand these out. So remind me after we finish watching this tutorial video. You can do this by yourself, so you can get a helper if you need to, but you should be able to open your plastic bag of clay, open it just a little bit, pick up your clay slab like a pizza pie. You can put it on one hand or 2 and kind of shimmy it into your plastic bag. You want to make sure you write your name on it, so that it can be easily seen, because right now everybody's clay looks exactly the same. You don't want somebody to accidentally take your clay. We also want to be leaving it open because we want some air to get to it. So you're going to carefully pick up your clay, use 2 pieces, 2 hands, and then you'll be taking it over to your cabinet. Awesome.